Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove crayon from tile easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So basically, if you have crayon on your tile, no matter what kind of tile it is, for the most part, you can use these two methods, one of these two methods, or both of them to remove it. So just right now, I just took the crayon and I just scribbled on the tile, just like that, really easily, okay? Now, I am a father of 4, and when my kids were young, which some of them still are young, crayon on the tile was like an everyday occurrence. There's always crayons on the tiles, on the walls, so I learned really quickly the best ways to remove it, okay? Now, the fresher the crayon mark, the better. If it's been drying for a while, it will be a little bit harder to remove, but it's still fairly easy to remove, okay? So the first method, and you can use either of these two methods or both of them together. We'll see which one works today. It all depends on the type of tile and the thickness of the crayon. That's really what's going to determine how easily it comes out. So you need some dish soap, and you need a wet paper towel, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a drop of dish soap. You don't really need that much. We're just going to start with a drop. I might want to use some more after, but the dish soap is essentially going to help to loosen up that crayon, okay? So we're just going to rub it with our finger like this. It's going to help to loosen up that crayon, those crayon marks. You can already see, even just with my finger, it's already lightening up the crayon, believe it or not, because the crayon started out really dark, but even just using my finger, it's lightening up the crayon, okay? Now, we're going to take just a wet paper towel, a bunch of paper towels folded together that are wet, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rub on the crayon. And as you can see, it's already starting to come out, okay? And what I like to do is I like to just use I like to put my fingernail. I don't have long nails, but I like to just use my fingernail as some added help to scrape the wax of the crayon free, okay? Now, like I said, it's not like people think when you get crayon on tile, it's just going to wipe off, right? It's not. You have to, the wax on the crayon adheres really quickly and really easily to the tile. So you're going to have to scrub at it, okay? But it will indeed come off. So you can see it's already almost off. And I'll tell you what the alternative method is in a moment, but I'll show you that this works really well. Now, like I said, when the crayon marks have sat for longer, it will be a little bit harder to remove, but it's still going to come out fairly easily. This is still only just a little bit of scrubbing compared to, other types of stains that take much longer to come out, okay? Especially when you're talking about on paint and on drywall, stains can be much more aggressive there. Yeah, so we're almost done. It's basically out for the most part, but I will show you the other method. The other method, just rub this out just to finally really get it out of there. I just want to have the satisfaction of knowing that I did it. So you can see, like, the paper towel, because it's just paper towel, it is indeed just coming apart. It's basically out for the most part. I'm gonna have to just rub just for another, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute to get it out. These tiles also, there are specks in them. It's a style of tile. So what you're seeing over here, some of it might be the specking of the tile. Yeah, so it's actually, the crayon is actually out. The rest of what's over here is just part of the tile design. The crayon's out. I can feel that there's no wax on there. The other thing that you can use is the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and just make it damp, and and just rub on the area, on the affected area, and that will take out the crayon mark. Now, what I do recommend though is that you test this on a tiled area elsewhere first, in a space that you're not going to be able to see, maybe like under the stove or something like that, or under the fridge, because there is a slight abrasion to the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and you don't want it to scuff up the finishing of your tiles. Now, on these tiles, because they're not super glossy, this really won't do any harm to the finish of the tile. But if my tiles are super glossy, it probably would still be okay, but I would test it first, okay? I've never encountered a spot where I've used the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser where it's damaged the finish, but the point is that you want to be sure. I don't want you to go ahead and ruin a tile or anything like that, or ruin the finish of the tile, right? So yeah, as you can see, it's out. I only used the dish soap and the paper towel method, but next up, if it wouldn't come out easily, I would probably move on to the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, but I would test this first in a spot that no one would be able to see. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.